Yo, what's up guys? So here is the long-awaited cleaning video. I'm actually going to try to clean the phone and show you guys how to do it. So first thing we're going to do, hopefully this video is pretty brief, but as you can see, on this side there is some dust in the vent. I'm just trying to get a good sorry y'all. Okay, basically there's dust. And it's not really showing it too well because I'm a freaking genius at focusing this thing. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but there's a lot of dust in there. Okay, so first thing you can do, take a compressed air can. Now don't shake it, obviously, right? There's a bunch of warnings. Read the warnings, okay? Don't tilt it on the side because the coolant will actually come out, but you can get the air actually coming out. So you want to spray it on the opposite side of where the vent air, like you want to spray it the way the air flows. So the input vent is on the non-fan side. Okay, so you go like this, and then you just, I hope I don't die. And it's okay if you put it on this side right here, because the output is over there. You know what I'm saying? So here we go again. Let's try it. Okay, you got that? Honestly, the air vent's looking kind of the same, so there are less particles. So I'm going to try to hold it here and do this again and see. We'll see if the okay, yeah, I basically sprayed the crap out of this thing. It doesn't really look like it budged. Maybe I cleaned it wrong, but there's a little bit less. It's a little bit cleaner. And then you can basically, another thing you can do is you can take a toothbrush. And I'm sure, guys, if you, I'm demonstrating that it's possible. I'm not necessarily trying to be super detailed with cleaning the phone. I'm just trying to show you a method to do it. And you probably will get a much better result if you actually take the time to look and do it in a detailed way. I sprayed it on the input side is, remember, the opposite of the fan, so that, you know, when the air goes in, the fan is spinning the way that the air is pulling the air in, so that, you know, when you spin it, it's not against it and it won't damage the actual product. So I have this bummy ass toothbrush with tiny bristles. These are really tiny bristles. Okay, so maybe this will help too. And you can take it and you can put it on the side right here, so you can go like this. I don't even know if I can get it in there. So you can basically just kind of scrub it. I don't know if if I put it like this, push it all the way in. You might need something a little bit longer than just a generic toothbrush. Like maybe a paintbrush would work better. I don't have any paintbrushes on hand, but something to get all the way through with very tiny bristles. But yeah, air can and this are recommended. If you have the see-through one, maybe you can see that maybe this did clear it. Maybe it cleared out the stuff in here. That's a little bit better. I'm not obviously a professional with cleaning this. I'm sure there's a better way to do it, but yeah, I just tried the two methods that they had mentioned. I can't tell if it's better because the toothbrush can't even reach in there. It does look a little bit clear. I'm not gonna lie. It looks a little bit. It looks like some stuff was pushed around. So that's good. You know what I mean? It looks like a little bit clear. It's not perfect, but I know if you take the time to actually really detail it and pay attention to everything, you can do it. This was just video demonstration purposes, and clearly I didn't clean it the best way. But it is possible to clean this device. Just note that if you have this version, it's going to be kind of hard to see all the work done where it's cleaning in here. But I do believe that my phone is going to run a bit better, and because of thanks to this baby right here. It doesn't really matter what brand you use. Just don't. That's freezing, by the way. So this has like this freezing coolant shit can really actually injure you. And this thing's flammable as hell. So basically, you don't want to tilt it. I might have tilted it a little bit, but yeah, you want to be careful also with this thing being on, because you do not want it hot. You don't want anything to ignite. You just really need to be wary of this thing. Okay, that's when he's having, just be wary. Okay, so yeah, that's how you clean the device. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and have a good one.